Yeah, I'm gonna give a quick review on a pair of the VJ, the women Campo sneakers. This pair here is my wife's. These are white here. You see, it has a rubber insole. Rubber sole. Has a leather upper, and the letter and the V in the back. They're made out of suede. It's a suede logo. Has a really good cushion on the inside, so they're really comfortable. My wife wears this pair a lot. That's, the V on the color on the V and the logo is it's like a khaki color on this pair. This is the VJ Campo sneakers for women. My wife really likes them. I think you will too. I highly recommend it.